where we explore the fascinating world of mathematics. Today, we are honored to have with us Mr. Nitin Kumar, a seasoned maths PGT and house coordinator with an impressive 20 years of teaching experience. Throughout their illustrious career, Mr. Nitin Verma has inspired countless students to develop a passion for mathematics. Their dedication to nurturing minds has led to numerous accolades, including consistently outstanding results. Now we are asked few questions about afraid of maths. So many students are afraid of maths. How can we develop interest for maths?
That's a very intelligent question, and it's to be asked only oftenly of the students that how can we improve our mathematics skills. So basically, before going to this one, we have to design. We have to see the design of the curriculum, okay, in which design the curriculum is to be designed. Okay, in the primary age is in this one. The students are into the LKG and the nursery. Okay, that is an identifications of the number. The identifications of the number, the student have to identify the numbers, that is it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and so on. Okay, and then after the basic operations is to be applied on this one, plus, minus and so on. Okay, and I think that the primary portion is very good and each and everyone knows the number, identifies the number, operated the number. Even if a person is not gone to the school, he can does the plus minus in the market one. So basic knowledge of the mathematics is known by each and everyone. Now where we are lacking to understand about the mathematics, that is comes out onto the upper age. Okay, upper primary and to the primary age, where the interest of the students had been converted. Okay, and the student doesn't goes to the interest onto the in mathematics. So such for example, we are saying that it is in percentage. Okay, when we are going on to the percentage, the student doesn't know what about he is asking for the percentage. If we will relate anything, okay, in the form of a practical work, then the student understands each and every object in the good manner. For example, we are seeing that the two things are there and we want to compare there. Okay, and we will see that the 3 is smaller than 5. It's a boring class. Okay, and a student doesn't see that that it's maybe and not maybe. Okay, then what we have to do in this one, we have to take out a simple beam balance and put it the 2 on one side and 3 on one side and say that the goes which goes downward is a smaller one, and which goes downward goes to which goes downward is a larger one, and which goes upward is a smaller one. Okay, the same as it is if we have to show that addition 2 plus 5. Okay, then 2, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. A student will be a little bit confused on that how it's possible. If we will see that there are the two walls onto the beam balance and put it onto this one side 2, then we had added 3 and put it the same wall onto the another number onto the 8 and the beam balance will be balanced, then we can say that this is the sum. So that will create an interest into the student, and the student goes start understanding the mathematics. Now he is starting the understanding the mathematics, and then after creating the interest, he will start doing the question onto their pages, and after that the interest is developed, he is doing the practice, and as well as you are making your practice, you will create develop interest. Okay, and after creating, you will be very good in mathematics. Mathematics is a total depends on the practice. As for example, for as to batsman, okay, if a batsman does not practice, okay, he will forget about his shots, what shot is to be played. Okay, the same is thing. If you are not practicing in mathematics, you are not good in mathematics. Okay, so that is the basic funda. Okay, first develop the interest into the mathematics and do the questions. Okay, do the practice, and you will be the perfect one.
How math is helpful in our daily life?
Maths is helpful in daily life as well as if a person doesn't know the mathematics, he can't go onto the market. He can't purchase anything. Okay, just for example, we will see that. Now, the simple thing is that बोर्ड इज टू बी रिटन ऑन टू द सेल मार्केट, ठीक है, द फ्रंट गेट ऑफ द जो है शॉप, that the sale is 50%, 30%, 30%. And a person get confused who doesn't knows the mathematics. He says that 50 plus 30, that is 80, plus 30, 110. That means if I go into the shop, the shopkeeper will return 10% to me. Okay, is it possible? Is it not possible? So that will help to the persons to understand better the things in this one, okay, around this, okay, and that's why it's a mathematics is a basic requirement for to study each and every one. That's why in our curriculum the mathematics is compulsory for each and every student to study up to the 10th standard.
How much do you satisfy with the statement physics is a question and maths is the answer?
That's a very good question. Also, the each and everyone says that if physics and mathematics, okay, these two are the correlated one. Okay, whatever the formula is to be you are using in physics is derived by the mathematics. Okay, if you are in the standard number 9, okay, the basic simple thing is that, okay, you had studied that object is moving from up to down, okay, and we have an equation of the motion v is equals to u plus gt, and then you have gone to the 11th standard and 12th standard, that is calculated by calculus method. Okay, so calculus is a mathematical method. So whatever is the question in the physics, the answer is provided by the mathematics. Okay, question is says that why it is so. Okay, mathematics is saying that that is why it is going into this one. Calculation behind it is given by the mathematics. So that is a good question. That physics is the question and mathematics is the answer. Okay, as we will move on to the higher classes, okay, we will discuss we will study each and every formula of the mathematics, how it is to become and how is the mathematically proved by it. Okay, that is a good question.